Tanya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, what I have for you today is another Dollar Tree haul. I found a lot of cute little gadgets in there. And then I have one item from TJ Maxx. I had a gift card where I was doing my pantry. I had purchased a large basket and it didn't fit, so I took it back, and then I only had to pay $5 by the time I used my gift card to get this item, and it is gorgeous. So I'm going to show that to you last. And so let's hop right on into this Dollar Tree haul, okay? The first thing I found is this waterproof bag for your phones. Right here it is. And they had a lot of different kinds. Let me just open this up. Okay, you can see it better, but I thought this one was cute. It has the watermelon, and it looks like hibiscus flowers, and just all kinds of stuff, leaves. And it shows you how to use it, and says it's 100% waterproof, calling, you can touch, or you can take photos. So I thought that was pretty neat. So I'll have to give that a try. You open it up here at the top and see what I think about that, okay? And then with the gadgets, I found a micro USB cable. So I thought these were really cute. You get one, but look at all those. It goes from that hot pink to that orange to that yellow, fluorescent yellow. So I thought that is really cute. Okay. And then they had these cute little earbuds. It says lightweight and comfortable, and it's compatible with most audio devices. Okay. And these have the peach, a little peach on the ear part. They had ones with watermelon, pineapple, the peaches. I can't remember what else, but I thought that was really cute. So I'll give that a try. Then they had a bunch of different sock poppets. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, it's hard again today. I guess that's my problem. Pop sockets that also serve as a stand, okay? And I picked up 3 of them. This one is a peach. I thought that would be cute with your peach little earbuds, okay? And then they had the strawberry one. And then they just had this really cute marbleized effect one. I love all that purple, blue, and green. So I liked those. Then, let's see. Oh, then I found another USB cable. Look at this. This has like a cupcake on it. These would still make great stocking stuffer gifts. I know we're in summer almost. I mean, it's hot enough. It's not officially summer, but you gotta, when you see this stuff, you gotta get it, okay? Then I found some cute stuff. Okay. If you know somebody that enjoys their baths or showers, look what I found. These lollipop ones. I think they've been out before, but these are so cute. You know, this would make a great, you could use this for your, I have a candy tree that I do every Christmas. And would this not be perfect? You could add glitter to them if you wanted, but they're already made. This is so cute. So if you see this, you have to get these. They're adorable. Or you could just take a bath or shower with them, but I'm going to stick them in my candy tree. Gorgeous. Okay. Then I found this, and they had a bunch of other little ones. This is a bear. It's just a little bath sponge. This is kind of rough. And then this is really smooth. It's cute. They had a bear. They had a dog, I think. I can't remember, but I thought this one was really cute, so I picked that one up. Ooh, okay. And then I found this, a facial hair remover. You just, it has that little, like core, well, it's like a metal, and you just use it, and it pulls off your hair. I'm definitely going to try this, okay? And then I found this. I thought this, it's an I cannot talk. Why can I not talk today? LED projector light, okay? This projects fishes, okay? They had fish, and they had 2 or 3 other kinds. And you just put a battery in it. I want to see how well this projects, okay? So I'm gonna check this out. Then I found permanent writable white sticker from Cricut. So if you're redoing your pantry, several of you have told me that you've just finished redoing yours. I just finished mine. But look what they have. You can pick this up, and if you don't have a Cricut, you could write on it. I think this is so clever. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's just like your regular Cricut, but you can write on it. So if you don't have a Cricut, you could cut it out to the shape you wanted, and you would be good to go, all right? Then I found this little facial brush right here with these little things. Let's open this one and see. It's kind of, I don't know if, it's kind of rough, but yet it's got that soft silicone tips. I don't know, that might feel good if you just rub gently. I don't know, but I thought I'd pick this up. I was kind of in like a bath kick when I went in there, okay. Then look at this, what I found. They had several to choose from. This says, is all you need is love on the back, okay? And then if you look at the top, you can put money in there, and it has a key and a lock. I thought this was so cute. So you can put your change, or if you have $1 or something like that, you can stick it in there and see how much you save. But I like the fact that it has that cute little lock and key. Is that not adorable? And I really like that design. And you can turn it around this way, and it just looks like you have something pretty setting out. But you really know it's a bank. Okay. Then I love these sticky notes that I found. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? It kind of gives me fall vibes, which I'm always up for fall, okay, or Christmas. But look at that. They had other kinds to choose from. These are the really large sticky notes. Let me just take this out. These would even make great stocking stuffers as well. But here's what it looks like. Front, side, and back. Then you open it up, and then look, you get all this right here that are just sticky notes. And then you get these that are sticky notes. And then these. And it's all color coordinating. I love that. And it's so small, it would fit in your purse, or it wouldn't take up much room on your desk. I just think these are cute, okay? Then I bought me some more Mod Podge. This time I was able to find the mat, so I was really happy about that because I was running low. And then I picked these up, and I was thinking you could maybe use this on a journal, or if you have children. Look how cute this little bow is. Now this in the back, I don't think I'd put that around their head. It feels kind of like it would dig in, but look at the front, how cute that is. I could see that going over a journal and being adorable. Then here is this, same principle. Now you could put this around their head because it's really loose and flexible. Look how adorable that is. Or you could use it on a journal. And then I found 2 more. Now these are very flexible as well. They had the really pretty pink and the white. And matter of fact, I have kind of well, not real small head, but I think I could put, like when I'm washing my face, put this on and pull my hair back with this. I definitely think I could this. And I could even do it with this if I wanted to do that, but I don't think I will. Okay, then last thing from the Dollar Tree is I found no water needed mini toothbrushes when you're traveling, and you don't need water. And it contains scope. It's Crest with scope, and I just has a little floss on the end. I thought this was very good for the Dollar Tree. Okay, Now, let me show you what I found at TJ Maxx. Now, remember, by the time I took my gift card and put on this, I only paid $5. This is gorgeous. Okay. It says fromage, which is French for cheese, and then it has all the different kinds of cheeses listed around it. Swiss, Gorgonzola, Brie, all that. Look at that. And it has these really pretty metal handles, and this is metal around the side. And doesn't that look like a barrel top? I love it. You could set it down as a tray. You could lean it up. It fits under my kitchen cabinets. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I thought about maybe my hutch. Then I thought about my drink station on the bottom towards fall. I don't know. But when I saw this, I loved it. And when I was checking out, the cashier said that they had a lot of these that had stuff about barbecue and things like that. I didn't see any. This was the last one that I saw in my TJ Maxx. But if you're interested, you might want to go check. This was $29.99, but like I said, I only had to pay $5 by the time I took that basket back that I couldn't use. So, love that. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. Because we are going to be starting our Christmas in July. I don't know what day July 1st hits. If it's on a Tuesday, we're all about it. So I don't know. But in July, that's when our Christmas in July starts. So like I've said, we're going to be doing DIYs, Christmas ornaments, houses. And I want to start on that Christmas. It's not really a junk journal. It's kind of like a junk journal. You could definitely use it for that. But I'm just going to set mine around during Christmas, and it's winter tales. So I cannot wait to make this for you all. It's very different from what I've been doing. But that's going to be every Tuesday, the winter tales. And then the Wednesday and Friday will be our Christmas in July DIYs. So let me get Maggie. And she's right in that hole, and all you can see is her little face sticking out. So let me get it. Maggie says, well, how are you today? She said, I was trying to nap again, and Mama has just messed me up. But say, I love to talk to you all. Yes, I do. Are you a good girl, Maggie? Yes, you're a good girl. Mama knows. Oh, she's such a good girl. She is so funny. I'm telling you, when she goes out in that heat, it doesn't take her long when she's doing her business. Say, do you come right back? Oh, yes, she says, because I'm so hot, I have to lay down. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. And happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. So until next time, bye guys.